Looking to take your productivity to the next level? Discover game-changing Google Calendar tips and tricks that will revolutionize the way you manage your time. From seamless scheduling to hiding features that will keep you organized, you won't want to miss these expert insights. Get ready to transform your calendar into a powerful tool for success. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Google Calendar. So the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into calendar.google.com. This is the homepage, as you can see. So Google Calendar is our based application developed by Google that allows users to create, manage, and share events and appointments. It offers features like reminders, task management, integration with other Google services, and the ability to collaborate with others. Users can access their calendars from various devices, making it a convenient tool for organizing personal and professional schedules. So to effectively use Google Calendar, you have just to familiarize yourself with event creation like that. For example, event here, and also reminders and requiring appointments to streamline your scheduling. Sharing options are essential for collaboration with colleagues or family. Integrate Google Calendar with email and task management tools to boost productivity. Customize your calendar with color coding and notifications to suit your preferences. With these features, you can efficiently manage your time and stay organized. So this is it. Right now, I will show you how you can do that. So firstly, we have here the main menu. As you can see, this is the calendar that how it looks. For example, you can select if you want the day. For example, here we have today, as it's Saturday, and here we have it's the first hour Saturday. All right. Then we have here also select the day, the month, or also the day. For example, I will select this one, and I will just add something that's special on this day or this month also. And we have here the option of search. You can search for whatever you want. For example, here we have, for example, search in active calendars. For example, you search all calendars, holidays, Morocco, birthdays, and you put here the color that you want, so to remember the event. Then we have here what keywords, content and event. We have enter a participant, organizer or creator. Then we have here under allocation or room, keywords, not content in event. Then we have here the date, from date to the date. Then you click over search. All right. Then we have also here the support settings menu, and you select here if you want the day, week, month, year, schedule as well. Then we have here if you want to switch to tasks, if you want to switch to calendar, and here we have Google Apps, and this is my account. So here I will show you how you can create an event. So we click over create, you will find then this event. So you have just firstly to add a title. So you select here the time, for example, if it's all day, you select also the time zone. All right. Then you select here, for example, time here, it will begin on 12 o'clock and it will be done with, for example, 2 o'clock or 14 o'clock. Then you select if it's all day, and also you select the time zone here. It will begin with this one. You separate start and use, and you also it will be end on this time. All right, and you click over OK. Then we find also here find a time, add guests, add Google Meet, video conferencing. You can also add location, add description, or Google Drive attachments also if you want. Then also we find here these options if you want busy or you are free, and we have here default visibility, public or private. Then you select here how much time. Then you click over save. Then we have also the second one, which is task. About this one, you can just firstly select the time and the day. Then you select if it's all day, and then we have also select if you want daily, weekly on Friday, monthly on 1/4 Friday, monthly on the last Friday, annual on October 25, and we have here every weekday and custom. Then we have here my tasks as well, and you click over save. So then we have the last one, which is appointment schedule. About this one, you can just add a title firstly, and you can also select here appointment duration. If it's 1 hour, 15 minutes, and 1.5, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1.5 hours, 2 hours, and custom as well. Then we have here if you want to repeat weekly, does not repeat, and custom. Then we have here select if you want Sunday, so the Sunday I select that it's unavailable, so it's for relaxing. Then we have here Monday, select the time if you want. And then we have here available all day, and also you can add this one if you want. You can still add all the days. You can copy time to all. So for example, I will just work for 3 days, and here we have Wednesday, so you can just select the time also. And also we have here, if you want to just select also the time of Morocco or other time, then we have also scheduling windows. For example, about this one, you can firstly select limit the time range that appointments can be booked. For example, available now or start and the end dates. Then we have a maximum time in advance that an appointment can be booked. For example, select how much days. Then we have a minimum time before the appointment start that it can be booked. So for example, 4 hours or more. Then we have adjust availability as well, indicate times you are available for a specific date. Then we have change dates availability. Then we have also booked appointment settings. About this option, you can just firstly manage the booked appointment that will appear on your calendar. For example, buffer time, a time between appointment slots. So we select here how much minutes, or how maximum bookings per day, limit how many booked appointments to accept in a single day. For example, select here 4, 6, or 7 per day. Then we have guest permissions here. Guests can invite others. After booking an appointment, guests can modify the calendar event to invite others. Also, we have here the option of calendars. For example, select here which color for each event. Then we have here check calendars for availability. Bookable times won't be available during any event. Write it or accept it on this. Then you click over next. So this is it for this one. And this is how you can create an event, task, appointment schedule as well. So Google Calendar is a powerful user-friendly tool that helps individuals and teams manage schedules, set reminders, and organize tasks. Its integration with other Google services and accessibility across devices make it essential for staying organized and on top of commitments. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.